Hi, and welcome to Class FitSugar. I'm Meagan Kong, and today I'm going to lead you through a 15-minute dance cardio workout that will challenge your entire body. Today's routine is brought to you by Athleta. I'm wearing their new Transcend Tight and Transcend Bra. I am so excited to get this dance cardio poppin', so let's jump into it. All right, let's start with a warm-up. Spread your feet nice and wide, chest open broad, shake out the body. All right, find some stillness. Let's start with 2 inhales and exhales. Here we go, breathe it in. Breathe it out. Breathe it in. Breathe it out. Shoulder rolls to the back. Make nice big circles, not ovals. And front, hup. All right, let's start to find the rhythm. Side sways. Feel that drop, release those arms. Here we go, reach to the sky. Again. 2 more like that. Exhale, last one stays up. Flip those palms, stretch even higher, hit that side body. Roll it down. All right, last reach takes you into grand plie, second stretch. Nice. As far as you can go. Shoulder down, again. Inner thigh stretch, one of my favorite stretches. Booty to the back wall, feel it in the inner thigh. Other side. All right, take it to the center. Reach towards the ground, flip your tailbone up. Good. Right hand reaches to the sky. Press that left hand into the ground to create a deeper stretch. Other side, good. Pressing into the ground, stretch even further. Roll it up. Okay, before we get into the choreography, let's get used to moving to the beat, right? Hit to the side. Good, feel that rock to the beat. Step, touch it out. We're gonna try an isolation with the hips. You go like this, 1, 2. The rest of the body is mostly still, and the hips are doing the talking. Other way. New step. Let's get used to sliding. Here we go. You go slide, step back, slide, step back. It goes like this, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Let's bring those feet together, arms up. Get used to getting those arms away from your body. Throw it up, put some tension behind the arms. All right, I think we're ready for this. Let's hit it. Everything half tempo, and then we pick up the pace. First, move like this. Twist, 2, 3, 4. Step, kick, step, again, slow. Twist, 2, 3, 4. Pick up the pace. Have some fun, let's go. Hey, little jumps. Ha. Here comes a new move. Nice and slow, step and touch, step and touch. Bring it low, ha. Again, slow, step, touch. Ready, set, pick up the pace, let's go. Hey, has a little swing to it. Last one, new step, moves to the side. Hip roll, box step, cross, back, side, together. Other side. Bach, step, double time, let's go. It's a little fast, so you gotta tiptoe. Show some control. One more. Let's go back to the top. Let's go. Step, kick. What can you do different the second time around? 2 more. Here comes those toe touches. Let's go. High, low, high, low. Hey. All right, let's clap it out, freestyle, let's go. Shake it out, come on. Those hip rolls are coming up. Keep that body moving. 5, 6, let's go. Ha. Little box step. You got it. One more. Back to the twist, let's go. Hey, step, kick. Step, kick. Here come the toe touches. 5, 6, let's go. Don't forget to breathe. Me included. 2 more. Box, step, hip, roll, let's go. Hey. Let's go. Nice. One more. Freestyle to the end. Ha, ha. Party started, y'all. 15 minutes to get the sweat on. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and pose. Okay, this party has officially started. So this song is all about the legs. We could be doing squats, we could be lifting weights, but we're dancing today. So keep that in mind when we do this choreography, right? Half tempo. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross, open, legs, clap. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross, open. Here comes the double time. Dance. Ha. Cross, open, flat. Hey. Hey. Let's go. Last one. New move. Here it comes. To the side. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a body roll, right? You're gonna take it and pull it down. Then step forward and turn around. Direction change. You got it. 1, 2, create the tension. 3, 4, step forward, turn around. Just halfway, full tempo. Ha, let's go. Ha, squeeze those muscles. Yes, new move. Roll the dice, you go. Step, roll the dice low. Step, roll it low. Step, high diagonal, against low. All right, you know what's next. Hey, take it double time. 6, 7, let's go. Hey, get low, get high. Ha. Ha. 2 more. Last one. 5, 6, you're going from the top, let's go. Hey, burn those legs out. Ha. 2 more like that. Party. I'm with you. Last one. You get a break with the body roll. Ha. Forward, turn around. Take the breath. Deep breath. Exhale. Turn around. 2 more. Perform to me. Let's go. Here comes that roll the dice. Let's hit it. Ha. Ha. Hey. Can you get lower? Come on. Ha. Hey. 2 more. You're gonna give me 3 poses at the end. Hey. Oh gosh, catch your breath, catch your breath. I know, shake the legs out. Yes, right, roll the shoulders out. This next song is all about the upper body, right? We don't have any weights, but we have tension in our body, and that's what's gonna carve the muscles, right? Feet nice and wide. We're gonna start with a whip. 5, 6, 5. Let's go. Whip and cross. Cross and one. Side, front, side, together. Slow, boom. Ha. Abs. Yes. Side throw. Side throw. Now, before we do it full tempo, it's gonna get a little crazy. Squeeze the abs, squeeze the muscles. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Hey. Come on. Let's go. 2 more. Last one. Here comes a new move. Nice and slow. Elbow, elbow, elbow. Back it up. 4 steps. Again, you go. Elbow. Back it up. 3, 2, double time. Let's go. Hey. Come on. 2 more like that. Squeeze it, flex those muscles. Last one. New move. You go. Open, close, open, close. Throw it up, hands above the head. Let's go. Tension, cross, tension, close, throw it up. Full tempo. Hey, now as the music drops, your energy stays up. Ha, let's go. Ha. Last one, let's go from the top, come on. Hey. 2 more like this, come on. You're gonna hit those elbows. 5, 6, let's go. Ha. Back it up, come on. Let's go. Last move, it goes. Ha. Hey. Come on. To the end, it's burning. Ha. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we're almost across the finish line. We have 1 burnout left. Now you've already learned all 9 moves from today, right? The choreography's over. This song, you are going to stack all 9 moves in a row for a burnout, right? Find the beat, starting with that twist. 6, 7, let's go. Twist, hit, kick, good. Hey, catch some air, it's slower. You have more time to live your life. Again, hup. Toe touch, here we go, here we go. Hey, get low, get low. 2 more. Let's go back to that hip roll. 5, 6, 7, let's hit it. Hey, box step, come on. Box step, 2 more. Can you live a little larger? Ho! Let's pull it down to the side. Ha. Let's go. 1, 2. Come on. We're heading to that full squat next. Let's go. Patty cake. Ha. 2 more. Last one, get low, burn it out. Roll the dice. Hey, ha. Let's go. 2 more like that. Then we head into the arms. Last one. Arms go. Let's whip. Hey, to the side, to the side. Good. 2 more like that. Find that strength, don't lose it now. Last one. Get ready to throw those elbows. Let's go. Squeeze. Ha. Push. 2 more. Last one. Open, closes next. Finish strong. Let's go. Hey. Throw it up. Come on. Throw it up. 2 more. Hey. You're almost to the end. Come on, don't give up. Freestyle. Big pose. Yes. Round of applause. We did it. Now just take a moment. Don't leave yet. Let's seal all that energy in, right? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Shake it out. Find that stillness. Here we go. Reach it towards the sky. Exhale. Good. Reach it up. Even bigger. Nice. Big side stretch. Good. Feel, as we repeat some of the moves that we did in the warm-up, how they feel different now. When your body is warm and sweating, your heart is pounding. I'm stretching a little deeper. Do it again. Yes. Let's bring this one down to the center. Roll it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Can you stretch even further? Yes, good. Back to the center. Let's do that twist again. Right hand to the sky. Switch it to the left. Good. Down. Find me in that second stretch. Again, like we did in the warm-up, and how does it feel different now? Nice. Let's take it to the inner thigh. Really press into that opposite leg to feel even more stretch. Other side. Good. Center. Walk those feet together. I'll turn to the side so you can see me. Roll it up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's grab those quads. One last little balance challenge. Kick it front. Stretch that hip. Roll those ankles. Last little bit of effort. Other side. Quad stretch. Kick it front. Let's stretch that hip. Woo! That balance is testing me too. Roll it out. Good. Shake it out. Let me see some sways. Really letting it go. Bring it low. Send that energy you created out into the world, right? Slow. Arms raise up. Take it. Feel it. Good. Ha. Bring it down. Yes. Yes. Roll those wrists out. Hit that right ankle. Lots of little calf movements today. Other side. This is it, guys. That is it for your 15-minute dance cardio sponsored by Athleta. I hope you had as much fun moving your body as I did, and I will see you on another Class FitSugar.